Hi, my name is Micah Horn and I'm the female RA. So an RA is a residential assistant, so basically what I do is kind of just supervise all the kids on campus. So right here, this is our key card, and if you want a key card, you do go to building 1 and security will kind of help you get situated. So the key cards give you access to all 4 gates and into your suite, and I'll show you when we get up there. So let's go on inside. So if you follow me right over here, this is our living room. So this is our common area for all 4 residents. And in this room, it includes our couches, the little center table, and our TV and the TV stand. So all of our TVs do include cable, which we have our Spectrum. And then we also have Spectrum Wi-Fi. And over here, we have our kitchen. So in our kitchen, we have the freezer, the fridge, and then we have a built-in oven and stove. And then up here, we have our microwave and just a few little cabinets for you to put your things in. And we do have one more. So we have our cabinet, which is our community cabinet. And all of our 4 residents kind of just share it and like put all our things in it. So we do have 4 rooms, A, B, C, and D. And then we have 2 bathrooms. Every single suite comes with 2 bathrooms, which include a shower, a few cabinets, obviously a toilet. Now let's roll on this way and I'll show you my room. So in my room, it includes the desk, a chair, and a twin-size bed. And then all of our rooms also include our little closet over here. So now you can put up stuff in your room. There are a few little things that you can't, but try and make your room as homey as possible because we want you to feel comfortable here. And then so I do want to show you one more thing. We do have a storage room. So we have our storage room over here, which you can put like a little vacuum or a little broom and kind of share it with your roommates. Now let's head over to our building 12, which is where you can find our laundromat, our recreational center, and just a few little study rooms. Let me show you where our laundry room is. As soon as you enter, you have our washing machines right here, and you have a couple of folding tables where you can fold your laundry, or you can study in here if you want to as well. And then right alongside this wall here, we have our dryers. And then on this side where we have a couple of our students, we actually have our washing machines. And if you take a look over, we actually have one of our students using our micropayments app. And that app is used to kind of just pay to use the machines here in this building. And then you can also use quarters if that's what you prefer. This is our recreation room. And if you take a look over here, we have our vending machines. And our vending machines are, anybody can use them. So if you want to grab a little snack or something, feel free to grab it while you're studying. Now over here we have our beautiful staff, and we will have someone here from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. So over here we have this little chill area where we have our TV, and you can use it, it's feel free to use. And then we also have our little foosball table, a little ping pong if you want to play with your friends. And we also do have a lot of activities here as well throughout the year. Now, this building is open till 10 p.m. for the public. Now I say that because this is also 24/7 if you live on campus. So if you look over here, we have our study rooms. These are our group study rooms, so if you want to talk and like get a little loud or rowdy, that's okay. If you want a little bit more peace and quiet while you're studying, feel free to go down this hallway. And it is exclusively only for residents as well. And right through here, we do have the private study rooms. We have our little secluded desk where you can, study out in the open, or you can go into one of these 3 rooms where you can study privately with the door closed and away from other people. This is the back patio, and out here we do host a couple of events, and I do want to mention we have our security cameras out here as well for safety. And then if you want to charge your phone or anything, we do have a couple of outlets around here, so you can charge your phone, your laptop when you're studying. So that is the end of the tour today. Now, if you have any questions, and I mean any questions at all, please feel free. So on this website, contact the Director of Student Housing. I can't wait to see you guys. When you come here, feel free to say hello, and I'll catch you guys later. Hey, wait up! I gotta go get gains in the gym. It's leg day, but I'll see you guys later.